Today, I'm taking $100 and showing you how people turn it into $10,000 without selling their soul, joining a pyramid scheme, or pretending they're crypto geniuses. We're talking real strategies, real math, real examples, used by real people making real money. And yes, some of these methods are so simple, it's actually insane that more people don't do them. So smash that like button like you're trying to turn it into profit, because this is going to get crazy. You've seen the videos. I made $10,000 in a day. I flipped $1 into a mansion. I blinked and became a millionaire. Most of those are exaggerations. But here's the truth. Anyone can turn $100 into $10,000 if they understand one simple rule. You're not multiplying money, you're multiplying opportunities. And today, I'm giving you the exact blueprint. Section 1, the reality check. All right, before we get into any insane strategies or mind-blowing examples, we need to talk about something that almost nobody online wants to admit. Here's the real secret. $100 doesn't make you rich, but $100 used intelligently, that can change everything. See, most people treat $100 like it's already spent. Before they even earn it, they think, what can I buy with this? But successful people think something completely different. What can this $100 get me access to? Because that's what money really is. Not just a number, not just cash in your pocket, it's access. $100 gives you access to tools that help you make better decisions, marketplaces where you can sell products, skills that you can charge hundreds or even thousands for, systems that generate income even while you sleep, knowledge that shortcuts years of trial and error, communities and networks you normally would never reach, and opportunities most people never even see because they're too busy spending their money instead of using it. This is the difference between consumers and investors. Consumers use money to escape reality. Investors use money to build a new reality. When you stop treating $100 like something that disappears and start treating it like something that multiplies, that's when everything changes. That's when $100 stops being paper and starts becoming a weapon. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use that weapon strategically, intelligently, and in ways 99% of people completely overlook. So buckle up, because what I'm about to show you can literally change the trajectory of your income forever. Section 2, method number 1, the flip challenge. This is one of the fastest ways beginners turn $100 into serious money. It's called the flip challenge. Here's how it works. You take your $100, you buy undervalued items, you clean them up, you flip them for profit. Repeat until you hit $10,000. Real examples. Someone bought an old DSLR camera for $60, sold it for $180. A kid bought a $12 lamp, painted it, etc., sold it for $75. Someone bought old PlayStation games for $2 each, flipped the bundle for $95. A woman bought a $30 treadmill, resold it for $250 after cleaning. Do the math. $30 profit times 334 flips equals $10,000. $50 profit times 200 flips equals $10,000. $100 profit times 100 flips equals $10,000. But here's where it gets wild. Speed run strategy. Once you hit $300, you switch categories: electronics, furniture, bicycles, tools, and appliances. These flip much faster and for bigger margins. People have literally built flipping businesses starting with less than $100. This is not theory, it's the most proven method. Section 3, method number 2, skill, service, cash. Method 2 is the single most powerful way to turn $100 into $10,000. Use the money to learn a skill and sell that skill for thousands. Top skills you can learn for under $100. Video editing, thumbnail design, copywriting, social media management, basic coding, AI automation services, short-form content editing, logo design, UGC creation. Most of these take 1 to 4 weeks to learn enough to charge money. Now listen carefully. Client math. If you charge $200 per project, you only need 50 projects to make $10,000. If you charge $500 per project, you need 20 projects. Charge $1,000 per month for social media management. You need only 10 months, or 5 clients paying $2,000. And here's the secret nobody tells you. Businesses are desperate for content. Editing, ads, social media help, branding, email campaigns, automation tools. Most businesses don't know how to do any of this, so they pay you to do it. Section 4. Method number 3. The digital product snowball. The method that scales the fastest. Creating a $10 digital product and selling 1,000 copies. It sounds hard until you realize how many people online want templates, checklists, Notion systems, design assets, ebooks, presets, meal plans, budget planners, resume templates, study guides, lesson plans, AI prompt packs, workout programs. Guess what it costs to create one? Almost nothing. Your $100 goes into design tools, marketplace fees, ads, thumbnails, product mockups. If your product sells for $10 and you get 3 sales per day, that's $30 per day, $900 per month, $10,800 per year. And yes, thousands of digital product creators do this full time. Section 5. Method number 4. Online arbitrage. Method 4 is sneaky. It's called online arbitrage, and it's a goldmine when done right. Here's the strategy. 1. Use $100 to buy clearance, discounted, or mispriced items online. 2. Sell them on Amazon, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Mercari. 3. Rinse and repeat. Examples that actually happen. Walmart clearance toys, Amazon, 3 times profit. Nike outlet shoes, StockX, $40 to $80 margin each. Costco bulk items, sold individually online. Trading cards, bought in lots, sold in singles. People make $300 to $1,000 a week doing this from home. This is flipping, but without leaving your house. All right, that's the blueprint for turning $100 into $10,000. Flipping, skills, digital products, online arbitrage, and ads. If you take even one of these strategies and actually start today, you're already ahead of 99% of people just talking about it. So here's the deal. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And drop a comment telling me which method you're going to try first. And if you want, in the next video, I'll take $100 myself and show you exactly how far I can push it, step by step. Don't wait. Your $100 could be the start of something huge. Let's go.